Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a beautiful 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This one's chalk. Underneath here it's a 3.8 twin turbo boxer 6 pushing 580 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the turbo aero kit. For wheels we've got 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A Bordeaux red black leather interior. Coming up about and back, we've got the retractable wing. This one does come with the 911 Turbo S logos painted, which is an upgrade. Popping in, we've got the high-end Burmeister sound system, memory seats, power seats, front and rear latch for our hood and trunk. Hopping in, we've got a carbon fiber trim. Start it up. Sounds amazing. Our different driving functions right here. Let's go ahead and put it in Sports Plus and hear that exhaust. Sounds nice. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, heated and cooled seats, PDK. This 911 Turbo S has very low mileage, 570 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo S, check out feldmanimports.com.